Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Chivdi Dal. Chivdi is the hero of the ingredient today. We call it Molagootal in South India. I have taken mung dal soaked in water. Around quarter cup you can take. Oil you need. Red chilli. This is for tempering. Mustard seeds and urad dal. And you need urad dal, red chilli for frying. Coconut, quarter cup coconut, then salt and turmeric powder. You have to fry the urad dal and red chilli in oil, then grind it along with coconut and cumin seeds. Cook the chivdi. It's a long process for cleaning the chivdi. It has got a lot of mud in it, so you have to wash it thoroughly for 5 to 6 times. Then only the mud will come out of it. And this is chivdi. This is available during monsoon, but I am surprised. Sorry, it is available in summer. I'm surprised that it is available in winter also. When I went to market yesterday, I got it. I bought this, and it's good, very good for health. It's called ran bhaji. That is, it is found in forest area and bit interior parts of Maharashtra. So this village people, they bring this, and you have to clean it up. So you have to remove the harder stems from this, and like this you have to remove, and finally chop them. Cook it along with the dal and fry urad dal, red chili, and grind it along with coconut and cumin seeds and add to the dal. It is quite tasty to serve along with chapati, rice. If you want to make it dal in North Indian style, you can temper with cumin seeds and mustard seeds, then onion fry, then add tomato in it, fry them well, then add the dal and add the chivdi, chopped chivdi in it, cook it, then you add the dal. It's quite tasty along with rice and chapati also. The cleaning process is on now. See, like this you have to clean it and remove the stems, and if any unwanted grass or something is there, you have to remove that, because they will just pluck it from the land. So grass also will be there in that, so you have to clean it up. See, this is an unwanted plant. The dal and chivdi is cooked properly. Now we'll see the water consistency is very less. Now we'll add the ground masala in it. Now you have got two options. One is you can make a thick subzi like this, serve it along with chapati, or you can add little water and make it watery to serve along with rice. Both the options you can opt for. Today I am going to serve it along with rice, so I am going to add little water in this. Adding the salt now. See the consistency now, it is slightly watery. Now let it come to a boil, then afterwards we will give the tadka in this. This has come to boil. See, after removing the vessel from the gas also, it is bubbling. This is soapstone vessel. We call it culture tea, and it's quite healthy to prepare food items in this, and it remains hot for some time. I've kept for tempering. If you want, you can add little sugar or jaggery in this sabji. So our Chivdi Dal, that is Chivdi Molagootal, is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the videos. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.